Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. I've got for you the Boxycharm by Ipsy box for the month of March. And everybody gets different things in their items. And I can't wait to show you what's in mine. We're also giving away one of the items to one of you, so keep on watching. I do want to thank everyone for checking me out. For all my subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of March, it is the Glam Light Dirty Martini palette. Now this one is mine, but I do have a brand new one for you. Like I said, this one's mine. I got a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. Talks about how to enter this one, as well as a bunch that are under there too. There's another Ipsy. There is a FabFitFun and a new beauty test tubes. Make sure to check that out. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel. Watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun and laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings. Want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because like I said, do them a lot here on the channel. As far as what is on my eyes today, stuck with the Glam Light. It is the Margarita palette. It's a super fun palette and mainly stuck with kind of the blues and greens over here. So the Boxycharm by Ipsy box is $31. I do have a code in the description box down below that'll save you a little bit of money, and it helps me out in if you use your add-ons that I want to do. And their add-ons are usually really, really good. I think I have an add-on in this one. So if you see me looking down, my notes are on my phone. So what Ipsy does say about this box is this month's box channels BFE, Big Feminine Energy. In honor of Women's History Month, packed with botanical skincare and must-have makeup, including a nature-inspired palette from a woman-owned brand that'll inspire us to rewrite the rules every day. It's got everything you need to have the confidence to be you. Ooh, I really like this one. I've tried it before. This is the Elmis Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. It does retail for $49. Tired of puffy eyes? Fake away with this multitasking eye cream. It helps revive tired-looking eyes with a blend of firming peptides, nourishing coconut oil, and brightening plant extracts. You can use this morning and night. Apply a tiny amount around your entire area using a delicate tapping motion. It's a really good one. Now we do have a palette, and I've seen other people say theirs was broken. Haven't opened this one yet, so we will see. This is the Trailblazer eyeshadow palette. It does retail for $42. The stunning eyeshadow palette is inspired by the brand's all-female team of creators and innovators who make it all happen behind the scenes every day, with 10 perfectly curated matte and shimmer shades in a range of neutral nudes, chartreuse, and in emerald tones. This thoughtfully designed palette is sure to inspire, uplift, and you and your look. Oh, I'm kind of nervous. Here's what the packaging looks like. I think everything looks pretty good. There's what she looks like. Pretty. From Il Maquillage is a lip service lip gloss. It does retail for $27. Swipe on your new Shine Lip Service Lip Glaze with a smooth cushion soft feel and silky nourishing in a plush luxurious as the robes of your favorite hotel spa. Indulge in, there's 10 creamy high-impact shades for a fuller, flawless pout, plus the light, never sticky texture and hydrating ingredients are perfect for smoothing, softening, and conditioning your lips whenever you deserve to be pampered. Always. The high-impact glosses were crafted to perfectly complement the Infinity Matte Lip Creams, though they also look gorgeous solo. So give your lips the 5-star treatment and outshine everyone. I did get mine in the shade Lip Service. Here's what your packaging looks like. And then here's what she looks like. It's not really a color I use all the time, so I don't know if we'll do this one in today's giveaway or a future one. I have heard though, you know, when they talk about being sticky, I've heard people say that they really aren't. So there's that one. From Kate Somerville is Eradicate Acne Treatment. It does retail for $28. This is full size. And break free of your breakouts with help from this best-selling spot treatment made with the highest level of sulfur plus salicylic acid and zinc oxide. This formula helps clear out your existing pimple, reduces redness, and prevent future breakouts. I don't really have a problem with acne, so another one future giveaway or today's. We do have from Avant Skincare Hydro Bright Collagen Eye Restoring Pads. Guys, these retail for $75. Avant is a very expensive brand. These little gems are here to help brighten and smooth your under eye in just 10 minutes. Each pad is saturated with a complex combination of active ingredients like collagen, hyaluronic acid, and aloe vera to instantly hydrate and help minimize the look of fine lines, dark circles, and puffiness. Hello, bright eyes. That's kind of cool. There are 3 pairs in here. And then for the add-on, I just picked up a little sample of a Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint from Ciate London. It is in the shade Watermelon. Here's just what the little packaging is. It's just a little sample size. She's bright pink. Let's see if we can blend that out. Ooh, she's really, really pretty. Oh, smells good too. But just a little flush there. I think you can build it up if you want. Let's try putting just a little bit more. And maybe just put a little more on there. And yeah, you can definitely build her up if you want to. It's really, really pretty. Like that one. So how are you guys doing? I spent some time this past weekend with my son who is here for spring break. And then he will be here on Friday for Easter. Cannot wait. Secret word of the day is Easter. Let's do give away that Il Makiage lip gloss. It's just not a shade that I would use, and I'd much rather give it away to somebody else instead of it sitting here collecting dust. What did I think of this thing? I thought it was a pretty good box. I wish there was kind of more makeup in it. 2 of the 5 things were makeup. You did have that Il Makiage and the palette. I do wish that I could use the Kate Somerville, but it's just, I don't have breakouts. So what did you guys think? What was your favorite item in here? My favorite item in here, I really liked it. Favorite item in here was the sample that I got because I absolutely love that. But I have tried, and I wish that there weren't 2 eye cream products. I have tried this, the Elemis peptide one. I love it. And I have not tried these advanced collagen eye patches yet. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. And make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. And also put on it that secret word. And you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on that form if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark if you did do them, if you actually did, because I don't want you guys to get disqualified. So your 4 ways are: number 1, if you go follow me on Instagram, that handle's BeautyAmaB, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you go follow me on X, formerly Twitter, that's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok, it's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share this with your family, friends, social media accounts, I want you guys to be rewarded for helping me spread the word of the channel. It's just a way that I can get back and say thank you so much for doing that. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years old or older or have your parents' permission to enter. Giveaways open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have this giveaway go through April 12th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on the 17th we'll come on and we will announce all the winners. And what I do is from all the forms, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, and the bonus entries, I'll put those in the computer, first name, first initial, last name. The computer spins all the names around, we all see it, and then and the computer picks, I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as I mail out the prizes to the winners, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. So I do have a question for you guys. I'm trying it a little bit different on my lighting. So I have my big ring light, and then I also turn on my makeup light this time. And it's kind of underneath it, kind of showing this way. Let me know if you like it or if you like how I've always done it. So here's what it would be without it. If you even notice difference. Maybe not. If you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you guys checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Enjoy this nice weather that we have going on. At least in my neck of the woods in Idaho, it's a pretty nice day today. Take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.